Hey guys, so the brand new central air system and heat is in. Really nice touch screen display. There's a whole bunch of settings you can do. Before the house did not have central air, so that's really nice. The house was built, I think 1940, but originally it had coal for heat, which we found out once got rid of the oil tank. There's still coal back here, gotta clean up. Then after the coal went to oil, and now we went to natural gas. So the brand new unit, brand new ductwork. The company did an amazing job. So yeah, that is all done.